it in the fluff.
Yeah, what is that? It makes noises.
It smells like water. I will approach it. Fear not.
Okay. So what is it?
It's water. We can drink it.
Are you sure?
Well, let me touch it.
Okay.
Yes, it's water.
Stop putting your dirty paws in it.
Stop complaining. I do what I want. See?
Yes, I see. What a catitude.
So how do I drink from it? With my paws? Or directly from it? Paw is fine.
I think I'm scared of it. Bye, Edie. I'm going to keep an eye on it from over here.
You are missing all the fun. Time to play attack. Got you. Hee hee hee.
Are you sure it's safe?
Positive. You are such a scaredy cat.
No, I'm not.
Gatito is really missing out. This is so nice.
Some useful information.
Clean the fountain and change the water every 3 to 4 days with multiple cats or 5 to 6 days with one cat.
Change the filter every 3 to 4 weeks and make sure to buy the original Catit products.
To make your water fountain less noisy, make sure the surface it stands on is completely sturdy and even. Place it on the floor, not on a table. Clean your pump every month.
5 reasons why your cat needs a drinking fountain.
1. Most cats don't drink enough.
2. Water is vital for your cat's health.
3. Cats have trouble seeing the water level in the bowl.
4. Cats consider standing water to be unsafe.
And 5. Cats don't like their whiskers to be touched.
We hope you liked this video.
You can show your support by liking, commenting, and sharing this video, and we would be happy if you subscribe to our cat universe.